Hello, this is Kathy Lee, Crafting with Kathy Lee. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I just have a couple quick things to show today. I lost a crafting item and thought I wanted to use it on a project last week, and I could not find it. So I spent a lot of time looking through totes and boxes of craft stuff I had taken places and looking to see if I could find it. Well, I never found it, but I did come across a few things that I hadn't seen in a while, and so I just wanted to show you. One of the things is this mini album that I don't remember making. So I vaguely remember seeing a video, but I'm thinking this must be like 6 years, maybe more old. I don't remember ever having this paper. I don't remember making this mini, and it's definitely not finished, so I probably had intentions on what other paper to use to go with it. It's kind of a cool, it looks like these were accordion folded and chipboard covers, and it's kind of got a very unique spine. And I don't know, maybe I was supposed to put another cover on here but never got that far. I'm sure I had intentions to do something with this, but I can't even remember making this. So unless I got it in a prize from somebody or in a grab bag, I think I made this and just don't remember it. So very interesting. I am going to figure out something to do with it, and I'll be back in another video to show you. But isn't it funny what we find when we're looking for something else? So that's the first thing I want to show you. The other thing is I found one of my UFOs, one of my unfinished objects that I probably made again 4 or 5 years ago, and I had it almost done, but I never finished it. And this is on the second album with this type of spine. And I was inspired to make, I don't remember when I made this. I kind of remember, I think it was at a workshop or a class or a crop. And this is the second one I made using the spine technique. And I got this technique, I learned it from a video by Lyric Lover Crafts, Amber. And I will try to remember to link her in the description of this video. So I thought I posted a video of this before it was finished, but now I look back through my old videos and can find it. So this is Graphic 45. Home Sweet Home, the original collection, not the one that's been out recently. The one that was out recently doesn't have quite the same things, pretty close, but not quite. So this, today I took this to a crop, and I finished what I hadn't finished before. And like I said, it's been 4 or 5 years. So I just like added this flower. I didn't really, I did the back cover because that was still plain. And then I added some stuff to the inside. Now this is a very unique spine. You make a bunch of folded pieces of paper, cardstock, and I did some as a pocket and some as just plain sheets of paper, and it's really quite unique. You just start taking the twine around and putting, I don't remember, I think I counted, I did however many wrappings of the twine around, brought it back across, tied it, and then I slip these in. These just simply slip, of course, because I say simple, it's not that simple, because they just slip into the spine. So it's a very unique, when I saw it, I thought it was so cool, and I made, like I said, this is the second album I made with this type of spine, and the other one was a beachy theme. So this is this one, and I just, like, it was 90% done. And I just added a couple more journal cards. That was completely done. I added my little page tabs that I hadn't done before. Hadn't even thought of it. Just added some, these, like I said, the structure of the album was already done. Oh, I did add this waterfall because I've been having a problem with waterfalls lately. I keep forgetting how I want to do them, and that one doesn't quite line up, but the person getting this probably won't even notice. And there are so many places to add journaling or put photos. I should have brought a little piece of paper out. Let me find something real quick. Find a scrap of paper. It's a big ugly scrap of paper, but let's try it. Okay, so there is a photo tuck in here. And like I said, they're all sorts, but I left these blank just to put photos. I don't always put the little mats that say place photo here because maybe they don't want to place a photo there. So just tons of room. That's a tuck-in spot for a photo or memorabilia. This one I got a little crazy with my tabs. I went through and thought I missed one. So this fun page must be a big one. Must be heavy because I had to put 2 tabs on it. All right, and then this one has the tuck where you can tuck your photo underneath those. And these are much the same, just continuation of pages. Because of how I did it, a lot of the stuff, this is just kind of odd the way that turned out, but I like it. Another tuck. That's just a photo mat page. Another one. This one goes there. So you can see it's a lot of repetition. So it was very quick. Aside from the finishing touches that took me years to get back to. Other than that, this album, because I did pocket pages in these and I repeated what I was doing on them. That one is popped up. Again, more pockets there. I might add some more journaling cards or something. Who knows? I may not be done. I think I'm done. I don't think I'll do another video. I think this is as done as I'm going to get. So just lots of places to put photos. Lots of places to put journaling. I could, like I said, add more. And I guess if I decide who I'm going to give it to, I might add more. I should probably actually put recipes in this and give it to somebody. But that might be another 5 years from now. I love making this stuff, but actually following through and doing something with it is not my best thing. And I have a friend who is so good about making something and giving it away and letting people put photos in it or do whatever they want to do with it, and I tend to hoard them. So apologize in advance to my kids, because hopefully I'll give most of these projects away, or at least put some of our photos in before I go. And if not, find crafty people that want them, because I'm awful. I'm awful. So there's a quick look at the Home Sweet Home, Graphic 45 Home Sweet Home mini album. And I love it. And I will try to link the video if Lyric Lover still has this video on her YouTube channel, which she should. I will post her channel, at least her channel, if not the video itself, in the description. So thanks for taking a look. This is Crafting with Kathy Lee. If you like this look at this Home Sweet Home journal, our mini album, please give it a like. If you feel like it, subscribe to my channel for more crafty videos, planning videos. What else do I do on here? Planning, crafting. I guess that's about it. Who knows? You never know what might show up on my YouTube channel. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.